What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Know what I mean? And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions video on the ThruNite BSS V4. Let's get right into it. Rubber band over it to keep it shut. Alright, you know what? I don't want my cat to eat that. I hope they don't eat that. Here's the box. I'm not even going to spend time on this. I do not want to make this video too long like I have done in the past, like you guys may have known. Oh wow, there's some goodies in here. So let's get right into the specs. Alright. I don't like to get technical. It's boring to be technical. We just gonna know how to use the light. We got strobe mode. We have turbo, high, medium, low, and Firefly. There's the run times. There's the lumens. 2523 lumens. 2523 lumens on turbo. That's awesome. 0.54 lumens for 56 days. You got light for days on this. All right. Now let's get into here. Wow, I think they knew I was gonna comment about these. You got two of these. Two for the price of one for those of y'all who like to eat these. Don't eat them though. Alright. Lanyard with gaskets. You know, I'm gonna have to get a bag and collect them all because that's real nice. I got so many. Oh, charging cable. Alright, and you have tons of these around if you have electronics. Clip. We have a clip. Oh, regular clip. Okay, black clip. And oh, look at this little lens cover. This can change the tint. Man, you know what? Honestly, I have never used one of those before. That's kind of exciting. You know, some of y'all, you know, some people when they don't know something, they like to make it up instead of, you know, just say they don't know it. And I never used one of those before. Looks cool though. The holster is nice. All right, look, you got, okay, you put on anything, hook it on anything, whatever, carabiner here, put it through your belt, whatever you want. It's nice and soft, almost feels like neoprene on the inside. All right, spending way too much time on the packaging and the goodies. All right. Ooh, bang! Look at this camo. Oh, it's like it got like this little pink tint to it. You know, you see like a rose gold, green, and black. Look at that. Got a Native American on it or something. You know, if I'm wrong about that, please do not get upset. All right. You know, see the feathers. BSS V4 right there. Oh, tail cap switch. Man, this is a real aggressive bezel, guys. I mean, that's really the first impressions right there. Look at this bezel. No one wants to get hit by this bezel. Look how deep and sharp it is, man. It's scary to carry. I mean, like, don't even want to poke yourself with it. It's sharp. That's real aggressive. You know. Oh. It has a red light. That means the battery's probably almost dead. Or it is dead. Almost, like, very little battery left. I don't know if we're going to be able to turn on this light right now. But 18650 here. This is just your standard 18650, so no proprietary battery in here, which is always nice. Okay, I like to have freedom to use any battery I'd like. You know, it's always nice. Okay, threads. There you go. All right, I don't want to spend too much time on that. Tighten it all the way. Okay. Wow, that took a lot of turns. Okay. I don't think this opens. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is gonna be able to allow you to change your tint of your lens adapter or whatever, your different lens. Look at that, threaded. That's cool. That's real cool, guys. Charging port. You know, I don't even need to go over that, but look at that. If you don't want to have this aggressive bezel, I suppose you could even carry it with no bezel or anything, no ring on it, you know. But it's kind of ugly to carry it like that. Let's open this up. The threads are nice and smooth, I'll tell you that. Wow, that's dope. It just looks cool, even if you don't have any use for that. Oh, okay, that's red. That's real red. Low, medium, high. I'm not sure if I have enough battery in here to use turbo. But that's dope, a red light. What is... You know, I'm honestly, it doesn't even look red coming out of the lens, but when it shines on something, it's red. That's real cool. If you guys know what that's for, please let me know, alright? Teach me something. Yeah. Look at that. Of course, Firefly is just from the off position. You hold the button down and you got Firefly. That's real dope. Put this thing back on the way it's meant to be, that it came. The threads are really smooth. I'm impressed by that. Sometimes threads can be real like gritty, but not this. Really nice. Yeah, man. What do I think this is good for? Okay. I think this is more like backpacking light, maybe. It's also good for EDC if you put the clip on it, which let me, if I can find the clip, I'll put it on, and we'll see. All right, the clip is on right here. Wow, that's a chunky clip. Oh, I shot that clip. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to do that. There you go. That's a firm clip, man. Oh, okay. That clip is pretty tight. It might rip your pants, but if you want to loosen it, you could just pop it off and bend it a little bit. You know, if you can get this clip off in the first place. This thing is really tight. I'm about to hurt my hand here. Oh, God. All right. I'm not trying to hurt myself on this video. But yeah, you could take just bend it back a little bit, and not too much, just a little bit at a time, okay? Because it's just do a little bit. All right, that's much looser, okay? That's a little bit looser. Maybe I overdid it, but I can bend it back a little bit to fix that. But yeah, you can do that. Okay, the light is nice and solid. Oh, I didn't talk about this. Oh, look at that pattern. It's like a flower. Because of this, the tactical ring here, it looks like a flower. So this is just turbo. It looks like only, well, no, high mode, whatever. Yeah, it's high mode. That's real dope. You know, this is a real tactical light, you know, because you can turn it on from here. Man, my thumbs are tired. Oh man. Yeah, you know, that's real nice, guys. This color is the most expensive one for the BSS V4, but you don't have to get this one. If you want to get one that's a little bit cheaper, better deal, you can get it for down to $60. All right, for like the black one. They have desert tan, and they have green also, I believe. OD green. I think it's real cool how it comes with the red filter. Honestly, I really think it's so cool. The red filter looks so nice on it, and it screws on so nicely. Look at that. That's gonna look great in photos. Yeah, what do I think about it? Overall, nice light. Okay, camo is fantastic looking. I wish they would do one with like black and orange, like or you know, like just black and orange. That'd be awesome. That'd be really nice. Black and orange, camouflage. Yeah, maybe even orange lens too, orange filter. But yeah, this is real nice, guys. I mean, if you want a light that's bright, like 2500 lumens, roughly, I can't remember the exact number. Um, Check this out. You know, $60, you can't go wrong for this. Um, but the camo is special. This one's roughly 75 right now, but I'm sure you could get it for cheaper. You just gotta keep your eye open. All right, I'm rambling too much. If you like this video, give me a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, just leave it in the comments. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's TimZUSA. And until next time, Tim Z out.